Here are the 10 mind-bending discoveries in physics. Number 10. Time stops at the speed of light. According to Einstein's theory of special relativity, the speed of light can never change, it's always stuck at approximately 300 million meters second, no matter who's observing it. This in itself is incredible enough, given that nothing can move faster than light, but it's still very theoretical. The really cool part of special relativity is an idea called time dilation, which states that the faster you go, the slower time passes for you relative to your surroundings. Number 9. Quantum entanglement. Quantum mechanics, in essence, is the study of physics at a microscopic scale, such as the behavior of subatomic particles. These types of particles are impossibly small, but very important, as they form the building blocks for everything in the universe. Number 8. Light is affected by gravity. This involves an idea called light deflection. What it means is that, even though light doesn't have any mass, its path is affected by things that do, such as the sun. The effect on an observer is that we see the star in a different spot of sky than it's actually located. Number 7. Dark matter. Physicists have some pretty accurate ways of measuring the total mass we can observe, and here's the twist, the two numbers don't match up. Physicists were forced to come up with an explanation for this, and the leading theory right now involves dark matter, a mysterious substance that emits no light and accounts for approximately 95% of the mass in the universe. Number 6. Our universe is rapidly expanding. In fact, the expansion of our universe is actually getting faster over time. The only way to explain this is with dark matter, or, more accurately, dark energy, which is the driving force behind this cosmic acceleration. Number 5. All matter is just energy. It's true, matter and energy are just two sides of the same coin. In fact, you've known this your whole life, if you've ever heard of the formula E=mc². The E is for energy, and the m represents mass. The amount of energy contained in a particular amount of mass is determined by the conversion factor c², where c represents, wait for it, the speed of light. Number 4. Wave-particle duality. Particles, such as an electron, and waves, such as light, couldn't be more different. One is a solid chunk of matter, and the other is a radiating beam of energy. But as it turns out, things like light and electrons can't really be confined to one state of existence. They act as both particles and waves, depending on who's looking. Number 3. All objects fall at the same speed. You would be forgiven for assuming that heavier objects fall faster than lighter ones. And this is true, but it has nothing to do with gravity. The only reason this occurs is because the Earth's atmosphere provides a resistance. In reality, as Galileo first realized about 400 years ago, gravity works the same on all objects, regardless of their mass. Number 2. Quantum foam. The thing about empty space, you'd think, is that it's empty. But it is too restless to put up with that, which is why particles are constantly popping into and out of existence all over the place. They're called virtual particles. They exist for only a fraction of a second. Scientists have called this phenomenon quantum foam. Number 1. The double-slit experiment. Scientists set up a screen with two slits in front of a wall, and shot a beam of light through the slits so they could see where it hit on the wall. It's called the observer effect.